Now that we have a little bit better idea about the null and alternative hypothesis, we're going to get some practice actually writing these out. So this first one, it says the packaging on a light bulb states that the bulb will last 500 hours under normal use. A consumer advocate would like to know if the mean lifetime of the bulb is less than 500 hours. So that packaging is going to serve as the authority figure, and so that'll be our null hypothesis. So that H0 is going to say mu is equal to 500. And then the alternative is that claim from the consumer advocate, and they're saying that it's less than. So HA is going to have mu is less than 500. All right, so there are 5 more of these in your notes. Go ahead and pause the video and give these a try. All right, the blue book value of a used 3-year-old Chevy Corvette is $37,500. Grant wonders if the mean price of a used 3-year-old Chevy Corvette in the Miami metro area is different than $37,500. So that blue book will serve as our authority. That'll be our null hypothesis. So we'll get mu is equal to 37,500. And Grant just wonders if it's different. He didn't say if it's less than or greater than. He's just like, I don't think it's 37.5. So in that case, our alternative hypothesis will be mu is not equal to 37,500. According to popcorn.org, the mean consumption of popcorn annually by Americans is 54 quarts. The marketing division of popcorn.org unleashes an aggressive campaign designed to get Americans to consume even more popcorn. Was their advertising campaign successful? All right, so this one's going to be a little bit trickier to kind of figure out, but popcorn.org sounds like our authority figure here. So my null hypothesis is going to be that mu is equal to 54 quarts. And then in terms of was their advertising successful? So if it is successful, they're getting people to eat even more popcorn. So my alternative hypothesis is that mu is greater than 54. A dog company claims that its special diet mix will allow Labrador retrievers to live to a mean age of 15 years, significantly longer than the overall mean longevity for the breed. The consumer group says that this claim is overstated and that the actual average or mean is less than the company's claim. So our null hypothesis here is that mu is equal to 15. And our alternative hypothesis, which is coming from this consumer group, is that mu is less than 15. All right, next one. The FDA claims that the amount of vitamin C in tablets produced by a company is not the advertised 500 milligrams. So they're testing that it's not 500. So our null hypothesis is going to be that it is 500. And the alternative will be that mu is not equal to 500. Last one. The board of a major credit card company requires that the mean wait time for customers for service calls is 3 minutes. To make sure that the mean wait time is not exceeding the requirement, an assignment manager tracks the wait times of 45 randomly selected calls to determine if there is sufficient evidence to say that the mean wait time is longer than 3 minutes at the 2% significance level. So that bar that they're setting there, that 3 minutes, is going to be our null hypothesis. So I have mu is equal to 3. And then my alternative, they're wanting to make sure that they aren't on the phone longer than that. So our alternative here is that mu is greater than 3.